chicken parmigiano, San Miguel light, Italiano salad. No avocados, even though they're everywhere in the Philippines at the moment. And then he's got salmon. Oh, look at that. With her capers and her mango tango. Ooh, very, 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 very nice. Wow, look at that. We've just come down from the mountains and the temperature has gone back up to the 20s. I was really wet because I got caught in the rainstorm. And now I'm all dry. But we're, yeah, hopefully you can hear this. I'm doing 50 kilometers an hour. We're on the road to Valencia. So we're going through these little villages and these little barangay. You've got sugar cane here on the right hand side. So massive farming area here. And when you get to Valencia, the other side of Valencia is a company called Del Monte. Farm pineapples and millions of them, absolutely millions of them, but we'll have a look at that tomorrow. But it's not blue skies, it's grey skies, but it's still 20 degrees. It's a lovely day. The roads are nice and dry. Jim's in front of me. He's dried out now, and hopefully you'll be able to hear me. But if not, I'll add some music. There we go. It's not like the city. It's not those big trucks, big 4x4s. It's country living. A lot of country living here. Wow, look at that. We're just riding out of Butuan. Overcast. Rain clouds. I do like Philippines. It's around 28 degrees today and it's overcast, but it's a lovely overcast. Oh, look at that, all home. Look at the roads. Some roads. When I first came here about 6-7 years ago, this road was concrete, bouncing all over the place. And today, smooth as a baby's bottom. Very nice. It's cooler, this part of the northern part of Mindanao. Jim's up in front. I'm doing shotgun because I'm doing my vlog. But it's cooler up this part of the world. Yeah, you can turn around and say we've had soggy bottom, boys, and it's been a little bit damp and squidgy. No, it's normal life here. Everybody has to deal with it their own way. But great sleep last night, and as I said, on and upwards towards Siargao, and then we're going to go over to Leyte. We need to sort out the ferry. We've not done that yet. That's a job to be done today. So Siargao, very full. Jim, you alright? Oh. So ticket office is over there in front of us, and then you go through to the right to get into the ferries. You have all these ticket booths here, and then you can turn around and book your ferries, and you can book your travel I think we have to go out that way. Just put that gate up.
So, I wasn't sure. I thought this port might primarily serve Siargao, just because of the geographical location, but it's really not that much closer. So we could have gone out anywhere. I don't care. Well, Lipata is an hour and a half versus 6 hours. Well, I do care.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's huge.
I think so. Look, we're got some stuff. Well, the thing is here.
You just saw that that memorial here was outstanding. I thought that was a great moment.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. I think it's very, very good. I'm going to go over to that ticket office and actually ask about tickets.
Why not?
We're here. So we're looking at the port. So this port here goes to where we're going tomorrow, but the ferry takes 6 hours. And with the other ferry we're going from Lipata, it only turns around and takes 1.5 hours. Jim? Ticket office? Yeah, so last time I was here it was jet black in the middle of the night, and I'd got the Mindanao Express from Davao to turn around and come up here. And there's a ticket office around here, so you pull up at the ticket office and then find out how much everything is. There we go. There we go, these people are waiting to go. Afternoon, kuya. Kumusta? How much to San Ricardo?
Only Liloan.
Luluan? Oh,
Liloan.
Luluan? How much? I cannot see. How much?
Where is that? Premium economy or economy?
Economy.
Economy? 464.
464 with a bike?
Yeah. It's a bike.
Yeah.
By 463.
So it's 900 peso.
Yeah.
Okay, salamat kuya.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Have a good afternoon.
So that goes from here for 900 peso. It takes 8 hours.
Very cute baby.
Takes 8 hours. Yeah?
Oh, yeah, no thanks.
Because that where Ricardo is down the bottom, Iluan is up near Alan. So anyway, so here we are in Siargao. The hotel we're staying at is the Bay. Yeah?
The tavern.
The tavern.
Yeah, I thought it was the Bay Inn. It's not. It's the tavern.
Oh, it's the tavern.
And it's a good spot.
There we go. It's right on the thing. They're still making repairs since the typhoon. They're repairing the restaurant. That's still out. They're still making repairs to the rooms. They got windows that have just gone in because they got big bits of sticky tape on there as a cross. So yeah, it's not bad. It's over here next to TT Company in Siargao. The room is okay. It's 2,200 inside or 2,500 outside view. Not outside, but outside view. So they got car parking. But I came here the last time, and what's the name? I think it was Lenny was running for president with Bonbon Marcos. So that was 2 years ago, and you couldn't get into any hotels here because they were all full up, because she was on her presidential campaign. But anyway, it's in the motorcycle and the mechanics district of Siargao. Look at that. There we go. There's Bangkok Siargao Radio 97.3 FM. Wow, look at this. So we're on the road already. We've left Mindanao, but already this, I don't know what it is. There is a different feeling in the air. It's warmer. It's got a really, really nice taste of the salt be riding on this road for around about 30 minutes, and then we're going to get something to eat. But over on the left is the bars and the little resorts that dot this coastline. The guys that are on the side of the road, they're cutting down the buko, and they're collecting up the mangoes, but it feels really nice. I can't explain it. It's just a great feeling. For the last 4 days we've been wet, and all of a sudden we're on a different island. It's sunny, and it's got the mountains here, but the mountains aren't the same as down at Cagayan or down at Butuan. These are very steep mountains, very intense. Look at that, police 4x4. Look how tall they are. Last time I was looking at mountains, they were all covered in a mist, a shroud. So, San Ricardo School. Let's go on and upwards.